Oh. We're only like a month and a half away from the end of school. Some of you are in grade 12. Some of you are very close to graduating. So we're gonna put this question into, you are gonna hold a backyard barbecue grad party to celebrate your graduation. Okay? There's gonna be, and you're going to make kebabs. Okay? But in the same kind of, you know the feeling of grad, how it's really bad if you go to grad and someone else has the exact same dress as you.
I know they prevent that.
They try to prevent that, right? Because that is just disastrous. The same thing happens with backyard grad parties. You do not want two people to be like looking at the kebab and you're like, oh my, we have the exact same kebab. This is so embarrassing. Right? So, and those kebabs, sometimes they're just on like wooden skewers. They could still be, poke an eye out. It could turn very disastrous. So you're planning ahead and you're like, I know that I want 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimp, 2 cherry tomatoes, and 2 zucchini slices, but I never want 2 people to get the same one. And now you're nervous about how many people you can invite to your backyard to make sure that everybody gets a different kebab so there's no fights at your grad backyard barbecue party. So, do you see that this is a Mississippi question? Because on the kebab you could have 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimp, 2 cherry tomatoes, and 2 zucchinis. Mucus. Looks like mucus. Sounds like not a very tasty kebab anymore.
Those are all very slimy ingredients.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can choose most.
So if you had decided to choose 8 different ingredients, it would have been 8 factorial. Life would have been easy. But you have 2 mushrooms. You have 2 shrimpies. Is that plural for shrimps? Shrimpies? Oh, yeah, sure. 2 cherry tomatoes and 2 zucchinis. Definitely.
Just 8.
And we figure this out. It's a big number. 2520? Yes, it is. Good. This is good. Now, how many will each person eat? How many would you think? Each person just 1? Then you can invite 2,520 people to your grad party. Right? If they have 2 or 3, you'd have to reduce that. But you still couldn't. 2, they could still invite 1,000. 3, you're still at like 840 people can come. Right? Things are pretty good. And not have any really disastrous. Questions to circle for this one are 7 and 9.